Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PestRemovalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about, will mouse poison hurt a dog? Now before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, notification bell, so that you can receive updates about my videos when it is uploaded and also help my channel grow. Now yes, definitely mouse poison can hurt a dog. It may not always kill the dog, but it can definitely create a lot of problem for the dogs. If the dog end up eating the mouse poison, it can have a lot of problem and it should be immediately taken to the doctor. It should not be kept, and if you see that the dog is behaving very abruptly, is trying to vomit all of it, and if you see that he is getting sick, and definitely take your dog to the veterinary, because it's not something that you should keep over there. And usually the dogs when they are sick, they behave completely differently than when they are normal. They won't even have a proper mood to play, and they won't even actually interact with any other properly. So if you see these changes in the behavior, know that something is wrong. And if you have kept mouse poison nearby and in the few weeks prior to this incident, then there is a chances that probably your dog could have eaten that mouse poison. If that is the case, make sure to take your dog to the veterinary immediately, because it is an emergency situation and your dog requires immediate attention. Now there has been many cases where a dog has been seen to eat a dead mouse. The mouse was dead because of after eating the poison, and in those cases also it has been found that the dog is severely ill after eating that mouse. So if the dog ends up eating the poison directly by itself, then also the result will be pretty bad for the dog. It may not immediately die, but yeah, it cannot be a guarantee that the dog will be able to survive, because these poisons are fatal, and it depends upon how much of that poison the dog has actually consumed. If the dog has end up consuming a lot of it, then it can be a really fatal condition for the dog. If the dog has just consumed a little bit and then understood that this is not something that the dog can eat and stopped over there, then there are still chances that the dog will be able to survive through that. Otherwise, it is going to be quite difficult for the dog. So the most important factor over here is that to take your dog to the veterinary if you see that this kind of problems are occurring in your dog. The problems will be more like the behavioral changes, and the dog will react very differently, like it will be in pain. So if those kind of situation occurs, definitely take your dog to a veterinary. Don't try to treat yourself, and because it can be emergency situation, so you're taking your dog immediately with the best course of action in this kind of situation. Now the best way to avoid this kind of situation is to keep the use the poison bait in a way where the dogs won't be able to get inside it. Now for example, you can keep it on places where the dog won't reach. For example, on the top of a place where it's quite difficult for the dog to reach, in the top corners of your house where you think the mouse can actually come through, in those kind of places, because these kind of things actually attract the mouse anyway. So the mouse is going to go up there even if it's not there directly, but it will smell it and it will try to go up there, because they're always sniffing for food. So if they've seen something that they seems as food, they will definitely go up there, and it's not a very difficult task for a mouse to actually climb. So yeah, they will definitely climb up and can try to eat that. Also, along with that, keep your these poisons in those kind of places where, let's say, in a cage where the dogs cannot enter his mouth to eat those, because those place will be such a small place where the mouse can only enter. So there are different kind of cages available, the small ones where the dogs cannot enter their mouth into, and over there also you can keep the poison bait, so that the mouse gets inside there, eat the poison bait, and then actually get trapped inside that cage. So this kind of things can be done in order to avoid this kind of situations. Now this kind of situation is not at all favorable, so using the poison bait requires some responsibility, because not only dogs, there can be other pets, and even your children can get affected by it. So it's a very risky choice. If you have pets in your house, then make sure to take these steps. Make sure to take all the necessary steps to actually make sure that your pets doesn't get affected by these poisons. These poisons are not at all good for any kind of animals, so make sure that they are not getting this. Only the rats are eating those, because they if they're annoying too much. And I would refer you to only use this poison bait if when there is like extremely emergency, like if you cannot control the infestation, then only use this, because this poison bait is risky by itself, because no matter where you keep, if you're a little bit not careful, your pet might get infected by that. Pet might end up swallowing that and get and can get into trouble. So make sure to only use this kind of poison when there is no other choice but to use the poison. So that's it for this video. I hope you find your answer from this video. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment and subscribe button. I'm uploading 2 videos every single week. There is on Monday and Friday. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you.